All right. Organize information by main idea. Why would you want to learn this? Well, when you're writing, you need to be able to organize your information. And first way to do it is by organizing it by the main idea that you are looking to get across. So when you organize into paragraphs, when you structure your paragraphs, you need to structure those paragraphs by a certain idea. So when you are figuring out what these ideas are, you need to structure them into paragraphs. So obviously the first step is to figure out what these main ideas are and to organize them. So when we go into our IXL activity here, you can see an example question. Let me point out something here that if you need some extra help, you can always click up top here where it says learn with an example. And here's an example question. And an important thing to read is the key idea of another reason why we're learning this. It says well-organized writing is made of sections like paragraphs or chapters. Each section should have a single topic. To organize your writing, group the ideas so that every detail in a section is about the same topic. And again, another reason why we need to learn this. All right, and here's an example question. Let's go back to a real question. So you have a student, I'm reading up here, is writing a biography of Mae Jemison, the first African-American woman to become an astronaut. Read the piece of information in each row and then select the section where it fits best. Okay, so we have two sentences and two possible spots to put those sentences for the main idea. In 1992, Jemison spent 8 days in space aboard the Endeavour with 6 other crew members. Okay, so would that be part of the space flight or would that be part of education? Well, she spent 8 days in space aboard the Endeavour, which looks like a name of the spacecraft. So we're going to click space flight for that. And then we're going to read the next one. Jemison earned a Bachelor of Science degree in Chemical Engineering from Stanford University and a medical degree from Cornell University. So the key word here again is university. So, and a degree, which we know are education related. So we're going to click on that. And we're going to be happy with that answer. I'm going to hit submit. Awesome. Okay, one more example. A cultural anthropologist is outlining a talk on the Maasai people of Africa. Read the piece of information in each row, then select the section where it fits best. Milk, meat, and blood from cattle are traditional Maasai foods. Okay, foods, another key word there. So we're going to place that under diet. The Maasai live in Kenya and Tanzania along the Great Rift Valley. Valley is where they live. Keyword live and valley. And we're going to call that location and hit submit. Okay, one thing I want to point out here too, if you need help, you need to ask me for help, and I will explain the questions to you. If you're not sure about submitting, ask me and I'll explain it to you and you tell me what you think. Another resource that you can use is to look down below each question where it says not feeling ready yet. This can help. You click on the activity or the link underneath it, and it's going to bring you to an activity that's one level below what you're working on, which should be a little bit easier and should help you to learn and get ready for the activity which is at your grade level. I hope that helps and look forward to you getting a score of at least 80 and hopefully a score of 100.